All right, good morning, everyone. It's a wonderful white morning out there this morning. I wanted to give everybody a quick update on what we got going on, what we can expect the rest of the day. Well, I'm guessing most of you are at home like I am, snowed in this morning, and yeah, that's not always a bad thing. It's at my house. Let's see, it's about 23 degrees and about 4/10 of an inch of sleet accumulation. Some ice on the trees, ice accretion as we call that. And so it's going to be like that the rest of the day. So I wanted to start out with the radar, give you an idea of what's going on. As you can see from the radar, we still have a lot of precipitation in the area. Now, most of this that you see on the radar is sleet, although back to the west, you see west of Fort Worth. And matter of fact, let's see if I can draw this for you here. And I'm going to stop this. That'd be better. Yeah. So basically, anything west of that line is going to be snow, if I can draw there. That is moving generally in this direction. So, as the morning progresses, we'll see most of the sleet transition to snow. And then probably after lunch, noontime, it'll taper off and not really mount to much. It won't stay cold. I mean, excuse me, it won't really warm up much, and that's not going to help the streets as far as them getting where you can travel them in any shape, form, or fashion today. If you had to get out, if you just can't avoid that, then you could definitely take your time and take it easy on that. But it's not going to really get any better. All right, so let's look at some of the watches and warnings we still have going on. And so number one, we have a winter storm warning still in effect until 6 o'clock tonight. That's mainly for snow this afternoon, this morning and this afternoon. But we do have a chance of seeing additional snow flurries between now and really the sunset, and it's going to taper off pretty quick. And I think tomorrow it'll start out cloudy, but the sun will come out. It's not going to melt everything, but it'll definitely help. That's for sure. As far as let's see this, see if I can get my graphics going here. All right. So what I'm talking about, wind chills. Wind chills are going to be pretty cold today, in the single digits, and then tomorrow morning it's going to be close to zero. So if you had to get outside, please dress warmly. It's going to be cold. And let's see, let's get this going over here. Okay, so when's this all going to end? So as you can see, if you're west of Mineral Wells, probably about 9 a.m. About like I said, about lunchtime in the Dallas Fort Worth area, and then you know after noon in East Texas, they'll see more sleet and snow out that way. So that's what we can expect from a timing standpoint. So if you're going to go outside today, this is actually a good graphic the National Weather Service put together. You can see if it's just chilly outside, you just need one or two layers. If it's really cold, 2 to 3 layers. And extreme cold, which is kind of what we're dealing with, you need at least 3 layers. So if you're going to go outside, make sure you dress warmly. All right, and let's see if I think I got another one here. Yeah, this is just kind of a look at the roadway system in the area. Like as you can tell, the roads are snow packed. So definitely don't want to get out there unless you absolutely have to. And then again, there's the winter storm warning area, and the whole North Texas is under the winter storm warning. All right, let's go back to the radar real quick. And I was just looking at my data here. Uh, boy, actually, I wonder if I had some difficulty sending this out. Okay, well, anyway, I may have to do this again. But again, the snow line's moving east, and you're going to see that move across the Metroplex between now and the lunch hour, and then it's going to taper off. It's going to be cloudy and cold the rest of the day, and then it's just going to be cold and windy. And sun's going to come back tomorrow, and this weekend it's going to be cold, but it's going to be nice. And next week will be cooler, but nothing like today, of course. All right, so with that, I appreciate you watching as always. And always, excuse me. And as always, I'm watching weather so you don't have to. Hope everyone has a great day. And